Birds flying high. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. Birds flying high, ooh, and I'm feeling good.
Cause the shit that I'm hearing a lot of niggas lie. Hollering fake numbers, straight flex talk. I'm like Vic, how I get them dirty birds off. My Eagles and Falcons, yeah, I keep them things soaring. Going for the 23, jumping like Jordan. That good shit that'll have a nigga hood rich. Find you a spot and get that bitch to humping real quick. It's mathematics, no need for the static. I hustle above average, quickly collecting cabbage. Catch up like Hines, forget left behind. Y'all cats do it to shine, I do it to feed mine. From a deuce to a four, everything gotta go. From a split to a brick, I gotta have my chips. Every goddamn sinner get dealt with quick, believe that shit.
Birds flying high,
I get them in,
birds flying high,
I get them off.
birds flying high,
So I shine, and I'm
feeling,
so I shine, and I'm
feeling good. Birds flying high,
I get them in,
birds flying high,
I get them off.
birds flying high,
So I shine, and I'm
feeling,
so I shine, and I'm
feeling good.
again the song cry. But it's sad this time, a lot of people died. Black boy passed, flu punch on two. A lot of history left with those two dudes. And GP passed, the shit killed me. How you think I learned the straight drop recipe? And how to handle my biz when I'm in the streets. Put it in the pot, let it lock off top. The hanger of the fork, I make the blow moonwalk. Niggas just talk, I rather show and prove. Forget trying to rob a nigga, cause I roll with the tools. Alpo so cool, so gangsta and smooth. On the road to the riches, I'ma run through food. I pitch work like petty, no debt but the credit. Everything up front, you got to have my fetty. I ain't let go nothing.
Birds flying